Hello guys, my name is Avater. Welcome to yet another tutorial series. What I'll be showing you today is how to create an editable image on Avater. What do I mean by this? In most websites, when you go to the website like Facebook for instance, like your cover pages and your profile pictures, when you hover around the image you see something like this. A little icon appears showing you that you should edit image or upload a new image. This is what I want to show you how to do today using simple CSS to achieve this. Now if you hover around this image, you can click and now you can browse and change the image if you so desire. Like it said initially, what you need to do is just to hover around this image, and as soon as you hover around it, what goes is edit profile image. In this place you can update it or change, whichever way you want to call it, but the main aim of this tutorial is to show you how this is done, because I know you do come across it in many websites like Facebook and the rest. So right away, let's just kickstart. So I'll launch Dreamweaver. I'm launching Dreamweaver. I'll create a new file. And I'll call this over image.php. Now the file is created. It's called overimage.php here. So what we need to do right now is just to develop this simple application we just saw on the screen. First and foremost, I will title it, call it how to create an over effect in an image. So I'll save that. Then on this body tag I'll expand it and create a div. I'm creating this div. I'll give it an ID of container. Close this div up. Then I will expand this div called container. Now on this div it's showing right here, but right now there's really no style to this div. So what I'll do first, I'll just come right under this head tag here, under the title tag, and add a little CSS tag to it. Now what I'll do is to target this div. Mind you, in CSS, if you want to target a div ID, you start with an hash sign, and if it's a class, you start with full stop like this. But in this case we have an ID, so I'll start with the hash symbol and call it container. Open a curly brace, close it up. Now I'll give it a width, let's say a width of 780 pixel. Then height, I give it an height of auto, which means I want the height to collapse according to the content it is being given. Then I'll give it a border. I give it 3 pixel solid, and I'll give it a red color. And if we save this and preview, in our browser. Right here, what you have right now, this is the div here, and to make it very visible, let's just go back and give it an height first. We'll later change it back to auto. Let's give it 300. Refresh this. pixel. Let's save all. Save all. Then let's just refresh it. Something is happening. Let's just check that out. This height, bring it down here. Save this, refresh. The height is still not visible for us to see, but no problem. Let's just change it to auto right away. So let's center the div by giving it a margin of top and bottom 0, then left and right auto. That's 50-50%. So if we save this and refresh, there you go, our div has centered itself. So right now what we need to do is to add content to it. So right now the content we need to add, we're giving it a width of this. So let's take note of this 780 pixel. So now what we need to do is go to div tag. Under the container div, let's just insert a table. So if we are to insert a table right now, let's just see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fits 9. So right now we need to insert a table with 3 columns. Let's give it 9, then 3 column, then 780 should be the weight, and let's add this up. There we go, our table has come up. So if we save and preview again in our browser, there you go, our table is visible now, but you can't really see it because there's nothing inside. So let's just go back to Dreamweaver and start adding content. What I'll do is to merge this line up here and give it a background of light green, then add content to it. The content we're going to be adding is called user profile. So let's just align this center, make it bold. Now I want to add an inline text to it. Right now if you save and preview, there you go. As it is, even it is okay, so there's really no need to add any content to it, but I will just make this an heading 2 to make it a bit bold. There you go. So what I'll do next now is to start adding the content as we want it. So I'll just select this whole row and align it to the right. So first one says surname, second one says last name, third one sex, fourth is date of birth, fifth is nationality, state, user ID, then last but not the least, referrals ID. Now let's just make this all bold, save and preview. There you go, our content has come up. So right now what we need to add to this part is the name itself. So align this one to the middle. Let's align this to the middle, center. So I'll just use my name, Bubu. Male, Nigerian, next one, sorry, let me just put any date here. That is assumed my date of birth, so Nigerian, Delta, and username webmaster, referrals ID, Google. There you go, make this bold, then save. If you preview your browser, there you go, our content is right there. So now this is the last part in this chapter of this video. What we need to do right now is to mesh this all up. Now we need to add an image here that will be over around. Let's just use this as an image. Okay, so save, preview. There you go. Now the image is just fine and okay there. So what do? Right now what we need to do is start writing some CSS code to help us bring out that over effect as soon as you overrun this image. To be able to show you this edit page, edit profile image here. So see you in the next video. I will just get that done in the next video.